Namaskar friends and welcome to Shuboudhay GK and Current Affairs channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, watch the video till the end, like it and share it. In this video, we are going to see state birds of India. State bird of Andhra Pradesh is rose-ringed parakeet. In Telugu, it is called Ramachiluka. Next one is Arunachal Pradesh, great hornbill. Assam, white-winged wood duck. State bird of Bihar is house sparrow. State bird of Chhattisgarh is hill myna. Goa, flame-throated bulbul. Gujarat, greater flamingo. Haryana, black francolin. Himachal Pradesh, western tragopan. Jharkhand, Asian koel. State bird of Karnataka, Indian roller. Kerala, great Indian hornbill. So it is also the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Indian paradise flycatcher. Maharashtra, yellow-footed green pigeon. Manipur, Hames pheasant. In Hindi, it is called teeter. Meghalaya, hill myna. State bird of Mizoram, Hames pheasant. So for Manipur and Meghalaya, both are same. Nagaland, blades tragopan. Odisha, Indian roller. Punjab, northern goshawk. So it is also called baas in Hindi. Rajasthan, great Indian bustard. Sikkim, blood pheasant. Tamil Nadu, emerald dove. Telangana, Indian roller. So for Karnataka, Odisha, Telangana, for these three states, it is Indian roller is the state bird. Tripura, green imperial pigeon. Uttar Pradesh, Saurus crane. Uttarakhand, Himalayan monal. West Bengal, white-throated kingfisher. Now Union Territories. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Andaman wood pigeon. Jammu and Kashmir, Kalij pheasant. Ladakh, black-necked crane. For Lakshadweep, sooty tern. Chandigarh, Indian grey hornbill. Puducherry, Asian quail. Delhi, house sparrow. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please click on the like button, share it with your friends and support my channel. Jai Hind.